Good afternoon. Right, another beautiful day today. This afternoon, the sun is shining. The project continues. Yesterday we did quite a lot of work. If I just turn my camera around to show you how far we went yesterday. Excuse the clothes on the line there. But if you look at my pond now, you can see how much we managed to dig out. We moved all the concrete that was here, and we managed to dig all this yesterday. So we are almost at the right depths. I think we just need to take off one more layer, and I think we'll be there. Because if I take my measuring tape and try and measure how far we've gone, you can see that we're almost at the 1 meter depth. There's only about 5-6 centimeters more to get to a meter. I'm gonna dig slightly deeper one more time. That will take us beyond a meter, and then I'm still going to put another line of bricks. I think 2 lines of bricks on here. So this wall will probably go up by another 20 centimeters or so. So hopefully that should bring us up to the 1.2, 1.3 meter depth. So we still have this bit to dig out to come down to the same level as here. So there's still this bit. Still have to take down this pole, which we need to dig this concrete pillar. We still have to dig, I don't know how far down to take. It's got concrete around the base, so we need to break that concrete, but that should be an easy job. I don't think that will trouble me so much. So today I'm just gonna do a bit more digging here. You can see how much rubble now I've got out here. All that we've dug from here. Still have a bit of water there, but yeah, we are finally getting somewhere. It's now starting to look like a pond. Slowly it's taking up the shape of a pond. So as you can see, yeah, so we continue. The project continues. We'll show you. Today I'm going to start digging a bit more here. See how far I can go. Maybe I'll do this for an hour or so, just to keep moving. So see you in the next video. Hello guys, hello. It's another beautiful day. The sun is shining, and so we continue with our project. I've not done any filming from the last video I did, because I just wanted to get something done so that when I come to do the video, you can actually see the difference. So I've been busy in the background continuing to work. So now let me show you what I have done so far on the pond, how far we have gone with the pond. Right, you can see now, I think if I stand here, finally it's starting to take up a shape of a pond. At least people now can start to see how my pond will look like. Have an idea now that we've done the digging, we've done the breaking of the walls and removing of the concrete. And most of all, again, you'll notice that if you look at the previous videos, you will notice that in the middle of the pond there was a concrete pole that was for the laundry line. So today I managed to break that. It was a bit of a challenge. It had concrete all the way to the so much concrete in the ground that they had put around it. So I ended up breaking it and then cutting the steel rods that were inside the pole. And then I've just buried the rest. Instead of digging the whole thing, it would have been a big hole for me to dig. But as you can see now, it's gone. So there's no pore in between the pond, in the middle of the pond. You can now see clearly my base, my concrete base that goes all the way to the back there, and it joins to the old pond. The other thing I have decided to do after watching a few videos on YouTube is this. I have decided to leave this part that I will create sort of like levels or stairs or whatever you may call it. One reason I did this is I've got some lily plants in pots that I would still like to put back into my pond. So if I had dug my pond like there, to put that pot, it would be too deep into the pond, and probably the fish will just get to eat and kill it off, dig it all up. So I've left that bit. That's where I'm gonna put this bit here. You can see here there's sort of like stairs where I'm gonna put the pots. Hopefully the pots will sit just above the water level so that the fish cannot get to them. And then second reason is I realized if I dig the whole thing deep like this side, it would be, in case I needed to get into the pond, yeah, it would be a bit of a challenge just to drop from the top into the pond, a bit deep. So I decided to leave that I can use that sort of like when I want to come inside the pond, it's easier to go over the wall and step on the stair there or on the shelf, whatever you can call it, and then make my way to the bottom. Because this side, if you look the top of the pond, I'm going to add another 2 layers of bricks all around. So the pond will go up to something like that high, which will just be above my waist if I stand against it, to just go above my waist. So it will be easier for me to come in through that bit, come down those, I'll call them stairs. Yeah, come down those stairs and into the deep bit. Yeah, so I thought, let me leave that. That will be very helpful. So now my next stage is to build the wall. So I'm gonna start probably tomorrow building the wall on this side. So I will start over from this end and that corner there, do the corner, and then start to build all the way to the end there. And then, as you can see, this line of bricks is slightly higher than, yeah, this line of bricks is higher than that. So I'm going to remove these so that I can take the line of the bricks underneath, right, which is level with those ones. So when I put these ones on top, it will be a straight line all the way. So I'm going to chip this off and then put the line of bricks. That way I'll have a straight line all the way from there to the corner there, and then a straight line going that way, all level. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'll be up to. So until my next video, I think I'll do this tomorrow. Hopefully I can record another video tomorrow when I start doing the brickwork. So see you tomorrow.